What I feel being a parent, that is first and foremost duty of a parents, not to instruct a child, not to protect the child. Let the child have the freedom, let the child have their own domain to enjoy. But we parents should have to observe, should have to take care. First, our parents, we all parents, should have to be concerned about the good habit of our children. Get up early in the mornings, have the right dinners, have the right birth, have the right lifestyles, speak the truth. In fact, the child of ours should be perfectly molded with some good habits. Because this good habit is to be called the primary educations. And if we talk about the primary education doesn't need any book, doesn't need any exercise book, doesn't need a pen and pencils. The primary education does need some supportive ambience, moral support. Most important thing, good habit. Because this good habit, since the very first day of the child, just slowly transform into natures. So when a child will be habituated with the nature, that child certainly will have the good characters to play the human role. And that characters slowly and gradually will transform into a complete personality. So when a child just transform into personality, only that child will become a true professionals, what we say, professionalism. So right now the time has come. We need the professional who are coming into the field as per their choice, not by the default. Because most of the time it is seen 73% professional in our society, they are by default and hardly professional of our society by choice. That's why the professional ethics of a doctor, professional ethics of an engineer, professional ethics of a businessman, everything seems to be completely collapsed and completely ruined, you can say. Right now, there is no such difference between the professionalism and commercialism. So everybody seems to be too much commercial. So whatever I feel exactly, right now the time has come. Just send our child, think our child for tomorrow's professionalism, and for that sake, today every child should be enriched, should be developed with some good personality so that tomorrow that respective child will become a true professional as per their own respective field to take our human society into certain height. Otherwise, some tricky people will take the advantage of it. They will fish in the troubled water, and our human society will become a robotic servant, nothing